Last night brought the first real rain we've had in some weeks, and both the big and little woods, once wilted and dry, have burst into life. It's late June, and I had to strike out and see if all this water might have washed the Fifth Kingdom out of hiding at last. I was not disappointed. Things which I always expect to find were popping out of familiar corners. But there were plenty of surprises too, and more diversity than I saw last summer. The dryad saddle is back again on its stump in the little woods. Eggs are bursting from the ground and erupting into stinking stinkhorns. If summer is as good as this, just imagine what autumn will yield.